Hello friends, question number next. To prove that integration minus 1 to 1 pnx square into dx is equal to 2 divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, this is also known as orthogonal property of Legendre polynomial. Before starting the question, I am requested to you please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, we know that, or we know very well, we know that this is the fundamental formula 1 minus 2xh plus h square whole power minus 1 upon 2 is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power n into pnx, h to the power n into pnx. This is the fundamental formula. Okay, or this is also known as generating function of Legendre polynomial. Now suppose that this is my equation 1, squaring both sides. Okay, if I am squaring both sides, this is equal to 1 minus 2xh plus h square whole power minus 1 by 2 complete square is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power n into pnx complete square. Okay, we know that from the index number. Okay, this is cancel out, so that is this can be written as the left hand side of the question 1 minus 2xh plus h square complete power minus 1 is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity h to the power 2n into pnx complete square, pnx complete square. Clear? Now integrating both sides, integrating both sides, between the limit minus 1 to 1. Okay, so that the left hand side is integration of minus 1 to 1, integration of minus 1 to 1 dx divided by 1 minus 2xh plus h square is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite integration of minus 1 to 1 h to the power 2n into pnx complete square. Okay, into dx. Okay, now I am using substitution method to solve this equation. Suppose that 1 minus 2hx plus h square is equal to t. I am differentiate with respect to x both side, so that d over dx 1 minus 2hx plus h square is equal to dt over dx. So this is equal to minus 2h into dx is equal to dt. Okay, clear? If you have any doubt, you can directly ask me, because I am differentiating this function with respect to the x. 1 is the constant quantity, so that the differentiation of 1 is 0. Similarly, if I'm differentiate h square with respect to x, this is also 0. Okay, this is the fundamental formula of differentiation, you know very well. Okay, so that this, now if I am changing the limit, if I'm putting h is equal to -1 here, so the limit is so that the limit is 1 minus 2h plus h square. Okay, if I'm putting -1, if I'm putting +1, this is equal to t. Similarly, if I'm putting -1, this is equal to plus 2h plus h square is equal to t, so that this is integration of the left hand limit, this is my upper limit, and this is my lower limit. Clear? The upper limit is 1 minus h complete square, one minus h complete square, and 1 plus h complete square. Okay, and this is dx dt upon, and the remaining part of the question is -1 upon 2h dt upon t. Okay, is equal to, the right hand side of the question is summation n is equal to 0 to infinity, summation n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power 2n into pnx complete square. Okay, this is -1 upon 2h, -1 upon 2h. Okay, and the integration of this, we know very well, this is log t, and the limit is 1 minus h complete square divided 1 plus h complete square. This is my upper limit, this is my lower limit, is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power 2n into pnx complete square. Okay, after putting the limit, this is -1 upon 2h log, I'm putting the upper limit, this is 1 minus h complete square minus log 1 plus h complete square. Okay, is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power 2n into pnx complete square. Okay, now by the log property, this is equal to -1 upon 2h. I'm using the minus sign, I'm using the negative sign, and using the log property. We know very well log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. I'm using this property to solve this question with negative sign. Okay, this is my negative sign here. Okay, so that the next is equal to 1 upon 2h, this is 1 upon 2h, 1 upon 2 into h log of 1 plus h divided by 1 minus h, 1 plus h divided by 1 minus h complete square. Okay, again by using log property, we know very well log y to the power x is equal to x log y. I am using this property. This is equal to 2 upon 2h log of 1 plus h divided by 1 minus h. Okay, this is cancel out. Finally this is equal to 2 upon h log of 1 plus h divided by 1 minus h. Okay, and the right hand side of the question is, what is the right hand side of the question? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity h to the power 2n, summation n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power 2n into pnx complete square. Okay, so that I know very well log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. This is the fundamental formula of 12th class. This is equal to x plus x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus x to the power 5 divided by 5 and so on. Okay, this is the fundamental formula, or this is the log property. You know very well the expansion of log 1 plus x, or you can also use the formula log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square upon 2 and so on. Okay, direct formula of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is x minus x cube divided by 3 plus x to the power 5 divided by 5. I am using this formula in this question. So this is equal to 2 upon h into h plus h cube divided by 3 plus h to the power 5 divided by 5 plus h to the power 7 divided by 7 and so on is equal to summation h to the power 2n into pnx complete square. Okay, clear? This can be written as, if I am taking common h from this expression, I am taking common h from here, so that this is equal to 2 upon h. I am taking common h. This is 1 h square upon 2 3 1 plus h square upon 3 plus h to the power 4 upon 5 and so on h to the power 2n divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite h to the power 2n pnx into this is the complete square. Okay, no problem. Now and here is integration also. I have been skipping this step. Okay, this is integration sign. Here is integration sign. Okay, sorry, this is my mistake. This is integration minus 1 to 1 and this is integration of minus 1 to 1. This is also integration minus 1 to 1. The right hand side integration minus 1 to 1 and integration of minus 1 to 1 into dx, you know very well, into dx, you know very well. This is integration minus 1 to 1 into dx. Okay, now coefficient of h to the power 2n both sides. Okay, here the left hand side and the right hand side, this is equal to minus 1 to 1. This is cancel out and this is equal to, or this can be written as summation 2 into h to the power 2n divided by 2n plus 1, n is equal to 0 to infinity, is equal to integration of minus 1 to 1 summation n is equal to 0 to infinite. Okay, h to the power 2n into pnx complete square into dx, summation cancel out, h to the power 2n cancel out, this is equal to 2 divided by 2n plus 1 is equal to integration of minus 1 to 1 pnx complete square into dx. Okay, this is my final answer. If you have any doubt or you have any cross question, you can directly ask me. Okay, bye.